frogs, hail, locusts. Insurance exists for all of these old-world plagues, but the newest plague on the planet is cyber risk, and insurance is way behind. Hello, my name is Vishal Kundi. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Boxx Insurance. Today, in the next 4 minutes and something, I want to share with you 3 things. How cyber threats are a lot more serious and dangerous for us in this room than frogs, and why it's such a big problem for insurers to catch up, and how Boxx is going to fix this. And we're going to fix this by interlocking insurance with third-party systems, which is the core of our problem statement. I think we'll all agree that cyber is a global plague, and in the ASEAN region, the stakes are huge. 70% of hacks target small businesses, who I call our heroes. Up to 60% don't survive an attack because the trauma to their businesses is too much. The trauma for their business to be able to operate, to their clients, and also to the employees. And the worst stats of all is that 80% of those attacks could have been avoided with simple cyber hygiene. And Boxx is here to make sure that we give them that hygiene and make sure that they're better prepared. So how do we do that? We interlock cyber insurance with enterprise-grade threat monitoring and enterprise-grade security to not only help our small heroes, small business heroes, I should say, respond to a breach, but also predict and prevent one. And we've made that super easy for them to do. It's supported by an app, and we use a score. The score looks for the same loopholes that hackers love, and because they're always looking for new ways in, the score is always monitoring for new and emerging threats. If your score dips, you get an alert with details how to fix it. If the threat is more serious, our team will catch it, kill it, and close that point of entry. And in the worst case scenario, if there is a data breach, our team will swoop in to contain the breach, contain the damage, help you re-secure your network, and get you back up and running. And you'll see on the screen in a minute the type of services that the insurance will include. This ticks a huge box for our heroes, small businesses, but also for their clients, their supply chain, their investors, their banks, and most importantly these days, their privacy regulators. But it also ticks a huge box for our insurance carriers. It gives them the one vital ingredient that they need to be able to catch up with cyber threats, and that's confidence. Confidence to match real-time risk exposure with real-time risk monitoring and underwriting, and confidence to help our clients predict and prevent claims and therefore writing out fewer checks. Under the hood is an underwriting engine that's powered by artificial intelligence and a little bit of human intelligence, thankfully not mine. But we've spoken about cyber health. In the last few weeks under the Global Hackathon program, we've gone one step further. We're working with our global partners Dun & Bradstreet to look at financial health indicators, and also we're looking at brand health indicators that are huge correlators for risk. So, how big is this opportunity? $780 billion is the size of the commercial insurance market. $78 billion is the old plague market, but only $3 billion is the global cyber insurance market, which is less than 1% of the total. This is a rocket ship about to take off, and we're right at the forefront of it. So where are we today? We're in market in Canada. We've been amazed by the feedback that we've got. We're working with the government on digital safety as part of their smart economy. And last week, we quoted on one program for 500,000 small businesses. We're just about to launch into Latin America, and I'm really pleased to say that we're opening our office in Singapore to expand into Asia. I'd like to give my thanks to our sponsors, AXA XL, to John and Celine, who are out there somewhere, and also MAS, and to, of course, KPMG for this amazing opportunity. Thank you.